Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to access exams from the student side. First, go to the exam section from the dashboard. Here you will see two tabs, Exam and Exam Results. In the exam results, you can view all your previously published exam results. Switch back to the Exam tab. Click on Active Exam. Then click on Start Exam. Carefully read the instructions provided. Once ready, click on Proceed to start the exam. Match the following type questions. Drag and drop the correct answers into place. Each question has options and controls. Use Previous to go back, mark for review to revisit later, and Reset to rest your answer and allowing you to attempt the question again. You can use Skip to move to the next question without answering, and Next to save your answer and continue. You can easily track your progress using color indicators. Green shows answered questions, red indicates skipped ones, yellow means marked for review, and white represents questions you haven't visited yet. After answering all the questions, click on Submit Exam. Review your responses if needed. Then click on Submit Exam to complete your exam.